this.
I found a flashlight.
That's a kite. That's a moon flashlight.
Wow.
Maybe Daddy will open that for you. You can ask him.
What? Dad, can you open this?
Can you show me what it is?
Yeah, sure.
A moon, a night thing.
It's a moon flashlight. Here, let me see. Oh, you got it. Let me see what you're doing, Kai.
I don't know how to do this. There was a Paw Patrol.
Yeah, Miss Avar got that for you.
What?
The bowl.
Hey, how do I open this? I don't...
You got coffee.
They're mine. Hey, this is a great thing. Look. There's another candy and there's another candy. Look, there's my Easter basket now.
Yeah?
Yeah. Hey, can you open this, please? Open this.
What is this?
An Easter egg.
Wow. Hold it up.
Here.
Show the camera. Show the camera. Wow.
Mom,
Ask Mom to open that.
can you open this, Mom?
Look at beautiful Mama. Mama.
Where's your flashlight?
Dad got it. Dad got it.
Hi. These are cool Easter eggs.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna do it.
You go, Kai.
Oh, they're puzzles.
Oh, there is a pet.
Oh, these are cool.
What is that?
They're puzzles. Okay, see the circle goes on there?
Where'd the Easter Bunny find those?
China.
China? Wow.
Whoa.
You like those? Hmm. You gotta put these in your Easter basket. Oh. Azar.
I don't know that. No! Ah!
Hey.
Kai, say Happy Easter, Asher.
Asher, happy Easter, Asher. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no.
Asher.
Hey, I want to see this.